Do you know that 88% of millionaires worldwide are self-made? This means that reaching that milestone is achievable. You just have to know what to do and how to start. Do you want to be a millionaire? Surely everyone does, but not everyone becomes one. So, what does it take to become one? Well, in this video, you will learn the ways to achieve that sweet $1 million. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you'll learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. If you want to learn more, make sure to watch until the very end. Number 1. Learn to be patient. One of the main things people have is their desire to get rich quickly. When they want to start a business, they also want to earn big money in an instant, so they tend to make their products premium. Realistically, that is not the case. Look at it this way. Which is harder, selling a $500 product or a $5 product? If you want to start a business and attract people, you have to start small first, gather some loyal customers, and earn the trust of the people before getting to the big prize. Number 2. Don't let your self-doubt cause your inaction. Are you swarmed by self-doubt? Do you think that you can't make it because you don't have a degree? Do you see yourself as incompetent because you found people younger than you becoming millionaires? Are you afraid you won't be able to build your business because it might get bankrupt? Stop thinking about bad results, especially if you haven't started yet. Those thoughts are the things that separate you from the millionaires. Millionaires do not let self-doubt paralyze them. They do not think their business won't work. Accepting that you are capable of achieving your goal of becoming a millionaire is one of the most crucial actions you can take. You deserve a good life, so don't let your self-doubt win over you. Number 3. Start planning by creating smaller goals. Suppose that you want to become a millionaire in 4 years. It sounds crazy and so far away, right? However, if you choose to divide those 4 years into smaller, achievable goals, then it won't sound that crazy at all. One of the things you can do to help you plan your way is by building a roadmap. A roadmap is a comprehensive plan that outlines your goal and the key steps required to get there. There are many tools that can help you create a roadmap online. Just pick the one that suits you. Number 4. Make sure to follow your plan. Once you completed creating your plan, then the only thing to do right after is to follow it. There shouldn't be many exceptions, especially if you want to become a millionaire. You must be able to manage your commitments, be it with your friends or loved ones, especially if you're near your intended deadline. Sure, it's tempting to relax for a bit, but if you want to reach the finish line, you have to make some sacrifices. A lot of them. Number 5. Do not give up even if things don't go your way. At this point, it must be hard for you to search for clients. Let's say that you started your business already and introduced it to the world. Yet, your customers are scarce. This segment of your path to becoming a millionaire is the hardest because most people quit when this happens. Don't let yourself become one of them. Push through even if it takes you 1,000 private messages just to get one customer. Don't quit even if you have to email 500 people just to attract one client. All rewards come at a price. If you're considering quitting and starting anew, what makes you think that your new business won't suffer the same thing? If any of you are in this part of life, do drop your thoughts in the comments below and share what you're going through with us. Number 6. Keep reinvesting in your business. This time, you're starting to earn some money. Somehow, you want to give yourself a small reward due to your hard work. However, if you choose to reinvest the money you're planning to use to grow your business instead, then your reward next time won't be just small. What you can do is improve the marketing of your product, hire employees, and avail some services that can help your business. This way, you'll get nearer to your goal. Number 7. Upgrade your product. Since your business is starting to grow, now is the time to upgrade the quality of your products. Back in number 1. Suppose you started selling your product at $5. After a while, you now have a significant number of business clients, but not that big enough to make you a millionaire. This is the time to upgrade and increase the price. You make an affordable product, gather clients, earn their trust, improve your product, and then increase the price. You can keep repeating this until you reach $500 or even more. Number 8. Expand the area your business can reach. So far, you can't just cage your business in one select country. You should also consider selling your product or service to other countries. If you feel like you reached the customer threshold of a certain place, then expand your reach. The more locations you come to, the wider the audience. Partnerships with other companies around the world can help you with this. Just make sure to study their background first and that the company really suits your business. Number 9. Develop your business. In this part, you're probably having problems with having lots of demand and less supply. Your production can't keep up and now you're starting to worry. Don't fret too much and get going because there are some actions you can do to work around this kind of problem. Instead of selling to individuals, you can choose to sell products to resellers who buy in bulk. Instead of hiring employees one by one, you can outsource your business to the services you need. Basically, you're meeting the demand by making the production process much easier and much faster. Number 10. Decide what to do with your business. This is your most desired and most rewarding step. Finally, you became a millionaire. Now you decide what to do with your business. Do you plan to keep it for your future generations or sell it to other companies to get millions of cash? Remember, just because you're a millionaire does not mean that money making ends when you reach the goal. It just means that you reached a milestone. With all of that out of the way, we in EM3 hope that the ways presented in the video were able to help you and inspire you. If you're about to start, stop doubting yourself. Plan your way ahead and just do it. If you're in the process already, keep working hard and you'll eventually get there. So far, if you liked our content, you're welcome to check out our other videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.